Hey guys, it's Joshua Myers, aka Mobon Kiki, and I'm an illustrator and comic book artist from Columbus, Ohio. Today I want to discuss art challenges and how they made me a better artist and how they can make you a better artist too. Art challenges are everywhere, and I believe there's a challenge for all of us to participate in. Whether it's Inktober, draw this in your style, alphabet challenge, draw with your non-dominant hand, character design, environment design, 100 heads, 100 hands, and many more. These challenges help us create things we normally wouldn't create, and this helps expand our visual library. It's important to keep expanding our visual library because it helps us come up with original ideas and allows us to draw inspiration from a wider range of subjects. This speeds up our creative process and enhances our problem-solving skills. This is important when working in an industry or independently, since the turnarounds for work happen so quickly, and we want to make sure our audience gets the high-quality content they want in a reasonable amount of time. Inktober is probably the most well-known challenge. It happens during October and includes a list of prompts for creators to draw from on a daily basis. I personally participated in this challenge and completed it twice. The first time in 2021 and the second time in 2024. I noticed my work got significantly better both times, especially this year now that I have the knowledge of my fundamentals and know which areas in art that I want to get better at. I adjusted to inking with my brush pens and drew illustrations I know I wouldn't have tried to make thanks to this challenge, and I'm happy I chose to participate in it. You can also do challenges based off things you know you need to work on. For example, I did the 100 hands challenge because I knew I was bad at drawing hands, and the only way I could get better was if I kept drawing them. This allowed me to study the shapes that make the hands and how to manipulate them. I also did the 100 head challenge for a similar reason. I wanted to get better at drawing faces and hair, and the only way I could do that was by drawing them. We learn things through our actions, and it's important to make sure we don't mistake observing others as learning because we have yet to apply the knowledge. Drawing various characters in your style is a good way to challenge yourself too. Can you create a character sheet and do a turnaround of these characters in your style? Can you pose them in dynamic poses or show them interacting with other characters? This is something I actually need to try myself because I don't make much fan art and I'd like to show characters from other series interacting with mine. This will draw people towards my characters because they're familiar with the other characters that I'm drawing, but not mine. So they're going to be wondering like, ooh, who's that? I can lead them into a conversation about my characters in my book, how the world works, and how their characters relate to mine. You can also make your own challenges that involve the subjects or techniques you want to learn. Maybe you do a challenge where you have to draw different body types, postures, or ages. You can also draw using different color palettes, colored line art, or even the elements such as fire, earth, water, air, and lightning. You can draw your characters using powers from other series like web slinging, telekinesis, super strength, super speed, duplication, laser vision, elasticity, necromancy, energy blast, and so much more. There are a plethora of things you can challenge yourself to draw, and if you need help making a challenge, you can always use Google to find name generators, search for different types of powers, and look for existing challenges. Do a challenge that won't cause you to burn out, something that you can manage and make time for, whether it's a daily, weekly, or monthly challenge. Draw the things you're interested in because this is the quickest way you'll learn, especially if you have an emotional attachment to the subject. Continue to challenge yourself in ways that help you improve instead of drawing mindlessly. This will help you improve your portfolio and give you many options in terms of what to use for things like merch, prints, stickers, books, and other products that can be used to grow your business. If there's anything I taught you during this talk, I hope it's that you have many ways that you can challenge yourself and improve as an artist, and Intentional practice is key in order to improve quicker. Don't lose the joy you had when you began drawing, and if you have already, maybe you stop drawing the things you are interested in. Switch mediums for a while if you have to, and continue to play. Continue to experiment. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please like and subscribe so you can be notified when I post, and come chill with me as I draw. If you've participated in any art challenges or made your own art challenge, comment below and let us know what it was and what you learned from it. Have a wonderful day and remember to have fun. Until next time, my friends, Mobon Kiki signing out.